Once you've made the decision to apply for postgraduate study at Griffith, the process is quite straightforward. It's important to prepare so everything runs smoothly. As a postgraduate student, you'll most likely have other commitments, such as work, family, or volunteering, that you'll need to balance. It's important to think carefully about these existing commitments and how university can fit in and around your schedule. Generally, we recommend you allow 10 to 12 hours per week for each course that you enrol in. An excellent way to set your schedule and prioritise what's most important is to use time management tools. Griffith has a study planner available on our website where you can map out and visualise the activities in your life, including study. Think about when your assignments are due, think about any work expectations or events, and make sure you put in the time for exercise and social events with family and friends. Another great idea that will help you plan ahead is to take a dive into how uni works. The My Griffith portal is a valuable resource that covers all of the essentials such as managing your enrolment, how to use the library and more. Once you've planned your time and familiarise yourself with how uni works, the next step is to understand the details of the degree you're applying for. Step 1 is to select the degree that you want to apply for. You can do this via the Griffith degree finder on our website. Make sure you check the postgraduate box under the level of study. Step 2 is to check the entry requirements of that degree. This may include prior study, such as a bachelor's degree. If you don't meet the entry requirements, there could also be a graduate certificate pathway that you could apply for. Step 3 is to check the degree duration and fees, professional recognition, and any attendance and work integrated learning requirements. These are all important areas to know more about before you apply. Now that you can make an informed decision about what to study, it's time to apply. For most postgraduate degrees, you'll apply directly to the university, and this is done via the Degree Finder tool on our website. You can add the degree to your shortlist or apply for the degree straight away. In some instances, for example, the Masters of Primary or Secondary Teaching, you'll need to apply through the Queensland Tertiary Admission Centre, QTAC. Simply check Degree Finder under the Apply tab to find out whether you can apply directly to Griffith or need to apply through QTAC. Once you've submitted your application, you can track its progress. You will receive an email from Griffith with your application number, a link to track your application, and a phone number to call if you have any questions. If we need further information to finalise your application, our admissions team will contact you directly. If your application is successful, you'll receive a welcome email from Griffith. This email will include your Griffith student ID and instructions on setting up and accessing your My Griffith student portal. Remember, there is a range of scholarships on offer that can help to reduce the cost of postgraduate study. You can use the filter to check the postgraduate scholarships available. We hope this has been helpful. Getting ready to apply to study a postgraduate degree at Griffith should be an easy process, and if you follow these steps, it should all run smoothly.